What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I just want to do a talking video to join your X580 mower. Now, at some point this thing will have to get used this year, either this weekend or next weekend if it's not raining and sprinkling on, so you can see, because you can see the grass is starting to grow again, and you can see, this is a pretty nice looking mower in my, yeah, now this thing's almost gonna get hit, like, so you can see, but as you can see, it's already got 300 and, can you see that? So we got 375.4 hours on it, you can see. But at some point, the thing's gonna get hit like a 14 hours on this thing. It's hit for 38 hours on this thing. But as you can see, I still like it's got the fuel gauge, anything like that. You can see because and then here's what the headlights are on. Can you see that? Can you see that? This is what the headlights are on. You can kind of see it a little bit, but like I said, we don't ever use the headlights on there because you can see, because ever since the machine, you can see, and I do like this thing a lot because you can see how much expected this thing exactly. But if you know how much I expected this thing exactly, because I know at some point it's gonna hit 40 hours on this machine here. But the Kawasaki engine on this thing, you can see, it's got decent power in my opinion. It has the 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine, and it is powered by a 54-inch SLD deck, which it's what it is exactly on this machine. But we did not change the spark plug on this thing. It still has the original spark plugs in it, but it's got like a new oil filter. It's got a new air filter. It's got a new fuel filter. But that's just basically it. Because remember last week it was doing the surging thing, like you can see, but it's not doing that anymore because. And you can see because and then sometimes the flower will snap off on these ones because this is plastic, okay, not metal like the other mowers, so you can see. But if you try to use this in the cold, in my opinion, you try to move this flower, it will snap, okay. So and these flowers will cost like I don't know, for like I don't know how I'm going to get a new flower for this one exactly because it's made of plastic, not metal, like mowers you can see. Because it connects right here to the carburetor, you can see, because the battery is still original, you can see there's still no problems with it, but they actually did put a small battery on this one motor. You can see these motors, you can see the newer X500 series, you can see, with the green deck, which, I mean, it's kind of weird in my opinion to put the green deck, but that's what you can make people happy. And so I hope at some point this thing will get used, either this weekend or next weekend. Who knows exactly? So I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 mower season. And the blades, you can see, you can't see the blades right now because I don't know what the condition of the blades here exactly, because we kept hitting some rocks, moleholes, and anything like that. I was like, you believe me, because, well, I mean, you can see, look at how this pulley is. Like you can see, it's actually quite clean, in my opinion. But the pulley is right here exactly, because you can tell this thing about. You can see the belt right here is actually still looks pretty good. It's like under here. You can't see that right now because you can see it's like under here. And this right here, the deck is kind of scratched off a little bit because it's yellow paint. So that's really I would expect this thing exactly. And you can see this thing is covered in some grass right now because it was used since last weekend. And ever since the time you can see. But the deck wheels right here, you can see it's still original. There's a new ones, but it's really how much I really expected this thing exactly. So I do hope some point either this weekend or next weekend, if it's not raining and sprinkling outside, we hope we could get this thing used again. I know we're gonna have to use that roller again, and this weekend or next weekend, who knows exactly. But this is a pretty nice looking mower.